Did you know? Nearly 3,100 seats were vacant last year, and I think every student must know about this. Dear students, don't worry. I'm Sumit and I'm here to help you. After JEE examination, many questions arises in mind, particularly for those who holds the status of NRI, OCI, PIO and other foreign nationals. Primary being, how can they secure admission to top engineering institute of India like NITs, IIITs and other premier institutes? So, as many of you know, the answer to this question is DASA Council. That stands for Direct Admission Student Abroad. There is one more common term known as CIWG, which stands for Children of Indian Workers in Gulf. There are certain seats which are specially reserved for CIWG candidate in DASA counseling. We would be exploring this thing in detail in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Today, I'll give you an overview of some of the top colleges in India. But first, let us see some of the percentile of our students who took admission through DASA counseling in 2024. So dear students, if you are targeting NIT Trichy, Surathkal and Warangal, any percentile above 96 will work. If you are targeting Calicut or Rourkela, any percentile above 88 can work. But if you are targeting other NITs like Surat, Jaipur, Nagpur or Jalandhar, any percentile above 67 can work for you. Although, final JEE percentile is up to 7 decimal place value. Therefore, these percentile are completely based on two variable factors. Number one, student interest. It can be of any specific branch or college. Number two, which seat you are targeting, whether it is DASA or CIWG. Now, let us see the opening and closing JEE rank of some of the colleges based on 2024 DASA counseling. So, let us begin with NITs first. Number 1, NIT Trichy. You can see the various branches over here. Now, for computer science, even if your rank is around 18,700, you might get DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 17,600, you might get CIWG seat. As you can see, for the mechanical engineering, even if your rank is lying around 2,08,000, you might get DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 1,27,000, you might get CIWG seat as well. Next is NIT Surathkal. As you can see, there are various branches available with their opening and closing rank. But dear students, if you are specifically targeting artificial intelligence and your rank is lying around 26,600, you might get DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 31,500, you might get CIWG seat as well. Now, let us go to the next NIT, which is MNIT Jaipur. Dear students, if you are targeting for electronics and communication, and if your rank is lying around 2,17,000, you can get CIWG seat. And if your rank is lying around 4,15,000, you might get DASA seat as well. Now, dear students, let us see some of the IIITs. First one, IIIT DM Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. If you are targeting for computer science branch and if your rank is lying around 5,78,000, you might get DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 1,98,000, you might get CIWG seat. Now, let us see the next IIIT, which is IIIT Prayagraj. Dear students, you can see the cutoffs here, but if you are specifically targeting information and technology and your rank is lying around 1,48,000, you might get the DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 66,300, you might get the CIWG seat. Dear students, now let us talk about some premier technical institute. And if you are targeting Manipal and if your choice is computer science engineering with AI and ML, and if your rank is lying around 5,74,000, you might get DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 2,64,000, you might get CIWG seat. Next is DTU. Dear student, these are the branches with their cutoff ranks. But if you are specifically targeting for mechanical engineering and if your rank is lying around 5,65,000, you might get the DASA seat. And if your rank is lying around 3,54,000, you might get CIWG seat. Dear students, don't worry if you didn't find your rank here. In DASA 2024, there were 66 participating institutes, out of which 32 were NIT, 11 IIITs, 3 schools of planning and architecture and 20 premier technical institutes. So, you still got chance. This year, DASA counseling will be conducted by NIT Rourkela. So, share this video with your friends and family, and for any related query, you can contact us. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.